Question 35. The diagram shows triangle ABC. Calculate the area of the triangle to the nearest square metre. Analysing the diagram provided, we have a non-right angle triangle for starters. We have one of the sides known. We have a couple of known angles, but the height is not directly known. So that's a clue that we may need to use the formula half times A times B times sine of angle C in order to work out the area of this triangle. But in order to do that, we need two known sides and an included angle. And the included angle is the angle in between the two known sides. So our first issue is to find the value of this unknown angle here, and I've marked that with the angle theta. And then once we've got that, we need to find another side, and I've marked the side that I want to find with the variable x. So let's find the value of theta. So using the angle sum of a triangle property, in other words, all angles add up to 180 degrees in any triangle, theta is equal to 180 degrees minus 60 degrees minus 25 degrees, and that gives us 95 degrees. So this angle here is 95. The next thing we need to find is the value of this variable x, which represents the length of side BC of this triangle. So I'm going to use the sine rule here because I have a known side angle pair. So we've got 12 meters and its opposite angle is 25 degrees, so they're both known. Because we have a known side angle pair, it makes using the sine rule possible. So using the sine rule, x divided by or over sine 60 degrees is equal to 12 divided by sine 25 degrees. And I've set this up as an equation. So rather than writing it in fraction form, I've used the division symbol instead. Just makes it a little bit easier to write on these lines. Rearranging the equation to make x the subject, x is being divided by sine 60 degrees. If we move that over to the other side, it becomes a multiplication. So x is equal to 12 divided by sine 25 degrees times sine of 60 degrees. And that evaluates to 24.59028818 meters. I'll do all the rounding at the very end. Now to find the area of this triangle. We have two known sides and an included angle. So using the half AB sine C formula, area is equal to half times 12 times 24.59028818 times sine of 95 degrees, and that evaluates to 146.98 and so on. But the question is asking for the area correct to the nearest square metre. So rounding this value here to the nearest whole number or to the nearest square metre, we get 147 square metres.